Let's do some calls of the day now. We start out with Delta Airlines today, named a, quote, preferred stock, HSBC. Price target, $72.80. They want to be as precise as possible. That's a 39% upside. They say they have the strongest competitive positioning in all the key hubs and holds almost 70 to 75% market share at its top 6 hubs. New 52-week high, ex-dividend today. Joe T owns it.
Okay, so I'll trust them on that note.
72.80.
I'm not sure I would call it a preferred stock. I've also heard
in that sector.
In that sector. And I've heard one of the reasons why is maybe they have non-unionized labor versus the others. Look, the ownership that we have in this stock is all about momentum, because you could look at other airlines, and we've actually sold out of United Airlines. So to me, it's momentum based. As Steve often says, the airlines are a rental or a trade, and I tend to agree with that.
Okay. Netflix, Weiss, reiterated overweight. JP Morgan price target $650. You added to this just last week, right?
Yeah, and the week before. Look, it's had a nice bounce back from earnings, as it always does, frankly. And as I said repeatedly, no sense repeating it, but I will. It's the leader. And it's the leader with a good lead. It's like Secretariat running the Derby. I mean, nobody's even close to them. You'll see others, maybe one other Hulu catch up.
You're dating yourself, Weiss. Dating yourself.
Maybe I just read the book over and over again until I absorb all the meaning. Okay, I know. Okay. It doesn't take me a long time to observe the meaning. But here's the story. They're the leader, period. They've got pricing power. The ad business is going well. They've got the most content, while others have cut back on content because they can't afford it. So why wouldn't you own the leader if you believe in streaming?
What's remarkable about it is it's still 15% below its all-time high from November of 2021. There's a lot of room for this stock to go. We gladly purchased it at the end of the day.
And not reporting subs, I think, is going to be a benefit, because the fixation will be then on long-term story instead of the quarterly numbers that are historical. So I'm in favor of that.
What about Qualcomm, Jenny? New 52-week high, or I'm sorry, Qualcomm's yours, Joe.
Yeah.
Intel's in this reporting also. So it's Intel, Jenny, Qualcomm, Joe, Morgan Stanley talking about the impact of restrictions on shipping to Huawei. So, Jenny, why don't you take Intel first on this?
So it's interesting because the next line is impact should be minimal for both companies, 2% or so this quarter. And so I think I don't like even thinking about headlines like this as they relate to Intel, because what I keep telling everyone is Intel is super, super, super long.
The others are so positive that come out regarding this company?
Because if you want to hold Intel, like, you have to be in it for but like you have to be in it. I wish the camera on Scott so
it was funny.
I know. But that's why I'm like, I wish everyone could see him laughing at me. But
I choose to focus on the other positive headlines. Hold on.
No, I'm just saying, like, everything I've said for a while now is if you're going to sit with it and stick with it, it's incredibly long term. So you just need to tune out all the short term noise and stick with the fact that they've got like billions of dollars coming their way as they get these fabs up. And by the way, if we're going to keep reading it too, it's like separately, Intel's in talks for an $11 billion deal with Apollo Global to build a factory in Ireland. Those things are going to take time, but they're going to generate significant money for them.
Okay.
So tune out the short term noise on Intel.
Qualcomm,
do you want to talk about Qualcomm?
I do.
Good.
Qualcomm wants its 5-year high from January of 2022 up at 193. Obviously, when you look at the fundamentals as it relates to Huawei, Huawei's not even in the top 10 for its customers. We've heard from the CEO that they've already said we've got minimal impact, and keep in mind that the 4G chips are the chips that they actually sell to Huawei. These are related to the 5G chips.
What about Huntington Bank shares named in Citi's swap scoreboard among the biggest beneficiaries for maturing out of money swaps? 52-week high today.
Yeah, this has been one of the better performing regional banks. I know Steven's looking at me right now saying, why would you own a regional bank?
Why would you own them, Joe?
I'd like to see them return to purchasing shares. They haven't done that since the fourth quarter of 2021. But the loan growth stands out relative to others in regional banks. Their guidance for loan growth this year is 3.5% to 5%. You can't find that type of loan growth within the regional banks. One of the reasons why is they've done a good job expanding into Texas, into Carolina, and they're seeing the benefit of doing so.
Real quick, Visa and MasterCard. So Visa's up 7 days in a row. MasterCard's up 6 in a row. Both initiated overweight at Piper Sandler. You own both.
Two financial sector companies. You're getting mid-teen consistent revenue growth over the last 36 months, and they buy back a ton of their shares.